Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, in this episode, I will be showing you how to bake a simple vanilla cupcake using a pre-mix cake mix. And at the end of the video, I will show you how to do a simple frosting. Okay, so keep on watching. Before you start making your batter, make sure that your oven is preheating to 350 Fahrenheit. And for the cake batter, we are gonna be using 432 grams cake mix. So this is pre-mix already. Instant pudding, 4 eggs, 225 grams unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 cup milk. Okay, so let's get started. So first, we have to put in our cake mix into the bowl. Next is our instant pudding. This is vanilla instant pudding. So what I will do is I will mix the cake mix and the instant pudding just to remove some lumps. Okay, so once it's mixed, let's put our butter. This is room temperature butter. Okay, so this is how the room temperature butter looks like. It's not frozen, but it's soft. Okay, and then we will crack our egg. Okay, next is our milk, 1 cup milk. 200. Okay. Okay. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Okay, so we're going to mix this butter. So I'm gonna be using this one. So I will mix this for 2 minutes, no more than 2 minutes. Under medium or folding settings. Okay, so after 1 minute, I will scrape the bowl just to ensure that there are no lumps. Okay, so after 2 minutes, our butter is now ready. This is how your butter will look like. It's not soupy. It's not dry also. So now we're ready to put this in the cupcake liner. So now we're ready to bake this for 12 minutes or until golden brown. So now our cupcake has cooled completely. We will try to frost it. Okay, so this is it. See you next time. Thank you for watching.